Hello students, hello viewers, welcome to this video. And in this video we are going to look at a new word. And before I start looking at the word, let me congratulate, we can congratulate each other on reaching 40 words. Of course, we've not yet reached 40 words. So I was just counting the number of words that we have seen till now. If I'm right, this is the 39th word. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? This is the 39th word. So let us look at word number 39. So we started in the month of July, towards the end of July. And July and August we totally put in, I think we made, you watched around 15 videos, 15 words. In the month of September, you would have watched 23. So 23 plus 15 is 38. And October, September is over. October, we've just started. So this is the first video in the month of October. So this is the 39th video, and then tomorrow or day after I'll be posting the 40th video. So congratulations on this. And before we begin, let me spell out the word for you. The word is interpreter. Okay, and this is how it divides itself. Interpreter. Let me repeat. In is the first syllable. In. Ter is the second syllable. Pre is the third syllable. Ter is the fourth syllable. Okay. Interpreter. And this is how it is pronounced. Okay. So there are 4 syllables. Just observe. Look at. Just tell me how many stretched syllables there are in this word. Just okay. Interpreter. 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 So if you notice, the second syllable is stressed, and there are no other stressed syllables in the word. So the other 3 syllables, 1, 3, and 4 are weak. Now let me share screen with you so that you can see the. Just a minute. Share screen. There we are. So wonderful. This is the word interpreter. And actually, you can weaken these syllables even more. For example, let me weaken it even more. Interpreter. Interpreter. So the last R, the final R is not pronounced. It's not interpreter. Okay. We usually Indian speakers usually exaggerate the R, and in fact we trill it. By trilled R I mean by trilled R, trill, we mean this. Interpreter. Or for example, curd rice, or whatever, that's how we pronounce. So I mean, I'm not laughing at that, but that's the way we like to exaggerate things. But the standard pronunciation is interpreter. 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 Now, just before I close the video, I was talking about this to you students. See, English is all about, as a listener of English, if you are a good listener of English, you should be able to listen to the number of stressed events that happen in a particular utterance or in a particular word. For example, in interpreter, you just have one stressed event, one stressed syllable. So if you train yourself to that, you will understand what stress timing is, and you will be able to pronounce or produce English as English should be produced. But the trouble is, that day as I was noticing you speaking, what we Indians do, or rather what Indian speakers usually do, we try to sound like an Englishman without stress timing the language. We syllable time the language, we syllable time our sentences, and what we do is, as we syllable time it, we try to sound like an Englishman. I'll be talking more about this in a future video. Now people keep on asking me which future video, there's so much to talk about. But as and when, see, I would have given you a lot of small 2-minute talks on this through these 39 videos. Please go through that, and then of course I'll be doing a full-length video on the features of Indian English, and what should be avoided, what is the difference between stress timing and syllable timing, and of course, yeah, okay. So the word interpreter is stressed on the second syllable. It is a 4-syllable word, and there is only one stressed event in this sequence. Okay, so start listening to the number of stressed syllables in English, and that is the start or the beginning stage, or the first stage in the preparation for listening to English. Now, how to speak? You have to stress time it. that we'll talk about in a future video. Okay. Okay, students and viewers, thanks a lot. Let us congratulate ourselves. We have reached 39 videos. The next video will be a special one. Okay, because it's the 40th video. Okay, goodbye. Keep practicing. Keep asking your questions. And yeah, best of luck.